Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the H1 full beam main beam headlights in the Mk3 Mondeo. This applies across many vehicles, so if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down here to your left, give us a thumbs up, and if you're returning, give us a thumbs up. Let's crack on with this one. So my good friend Andy Brooks has sent me over a set of LED headlights H1 to try out and fit into my Mk3 Mondeo. I've already fitted one into the car to try fit it to see how it goes and see what it looks like. But that's the standard H1 that come out of it. I'm assuming that this H1 bulb can fit many types of vehicles other than the Mk3 Mondeo that takes a standard H1 connection fit. So I've already fitted one, I'm going to fit this one and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's crack on. Okay, so for the purpose of this video I've got the light out of the car just so I can show you easily how to do it. You've got a T-screw at the top and one at the bottom down here. Pull this closer, give you a closer look. So one here and one here. You need to remove these to remove this back cover. Okay, so next you've got a clip at the top. You need to release this and slide out, and this bit will just come away, and you'll need to release it from these two clips on the side. It might be a bit fiddly like that, might not be, probably because my wiring, you know, you're limited wiring on the back of these, so won't worry too much about it. So this is the H1, this is the one you're going to be replacing. So you're going to pull this off here carefully, and the purple and black wire is positive and the black is obviously ground. But in the kit you get this box. You can see you've got spade connectors. Okay, so what I plan to do is the purple and black stripe on the driver's side is your positive and this black one's your ground. What I'm planning on doing, because on the box that comes with this kit is like this, you've got two spade connectors. So what I plan to do is just simply cut that connection off and reattach some new bits for it. So what we're going to do is this. And that reveals some wiring, and what we're going to do is we're going to use some female crimps, insulated ones. So we'll do positive first, shall we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these female spades, put one in there. and crimp it. Oh, not the camera in. And then we do the ground. Same again, crimp it. Just check that. Yep. Now, you could have plugged the positive into here, but you still need to find a way to do the wire for the ground. So that's why I've just done it this way. So now you can plug these cables into those. So with that out of the way, we've got to now change the bulb over. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is with this little metal clip. You've got to push in and upwards to release it. In and up, and then just pull the bulb out. That's the old one. What I've discovered is the best way to do this is take the metal clip out and then sort of feed it around. There might be an easier way. I haven't really worked that out yet, but I'm going to try. So then you get your metal clip and you've got to push it back in them holes. And that's it, in place. So now I've got that in. Got to be careful with the back of these things, you've got a fan. So you don't want anything to catch in it. So just be really careful how you do the wiring. I want to put the box down the bottom here. So what you do now is you get your little control box, whatever it's called. What about it? That's my level motor. I've not finished that yet. Go ground. Power up. Then the other end of this wire here, you've got to put this in and screw it up. It will only go in one way. You've got like a little notch here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. There you go. Got the little notch there. So that will only go in one way. Okay, like so. Then you just screw it up. I guess you could use some double-sided tape to stick this box to the side, which I might actually do later on. But for now I'm just going to put it all back together and get it tested in the car. And there they are, the new H1 LED upgrades, 10,000 lumens from Andy Brooks. Okay, this is the view from in the car during the day. My low beams are on, you can barely see them. But the second you flick the full beams, you can just see them brighten up. So the orangey yellow colour you see here, this is the standard H1 lamps on your full beam, and the big bright side on the other side just here, that's the LED ones. They're H1s, really bright. So that's to show you what they can do before and sort of after. So really bright, really chuffed with them full beams. So there you have it, another great product from Andy Brooks. There's a link in the description if you want to head over to his Facebook page and buy a set. Tell him Chazz sent you and he'll sort you out a good deal, hopefully. As always with all of my videos, if you look in the description, there is links to products I use myself, so by all means go over and hit them, you know, and buy things from them if you want. Also, the alloy wheel refurb, it is coming. It's just taking a little bit longer than what I thought, but the longer, I see it's a proper job getting done. I've never done that sort of thing, this sort of thing with the alloy wheels before. I've got one of the alloy wheels just down here now. So yeah, they're coming. So it's just a slow process. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the help. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.